Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Now gently breathe out through your mouth. Right now, there is nowhere else you need to be. This moment is yours. For too long, you may have been hard on yourself, judging mistakes and replaying the past. But today, something changes. Take another deep breath. As you breathe in, imagine a soft, warm light entering your chest. This light is self-love. With every breath, it grows stronger, spreading through your heart, your shoulders, your mind. Silently repeat to yourself, I am worthy. I am enough. I deserve love. I deserve peace. Let these words sink deep into your subconscious. Every cell in your body is listening. Release the pressure to be perfect and the weight of others' expectations. You are allowed to grow. You are allowed to heal. From this moment forward, choose kindness toward yourself. Imagine that warm light surrounding your entire body like a protective energy field. This is your power. Self-love changes everything. Your confidence, your relationships, even your reality. Remember, the relationship you have with yourself creates the life you experience. Your new life begins the moment you start loving yourself.